Hello, welcome to another beer review, and we have a 355ml can from Belching Beaver. We're off to Belching Beaver Brewery. I'm trying to keep a straight face. Belching Beaver Brewery, we have a can of their peanut butter milk stout. Super smashing great. 355ml canned, 5.30% alcohol by volume, brewed and canned in Oceanside, California. There you go, super smashing great. I shall read to you. It says America's favourite peanut butter milk stout. This silky smooth beer put us on the map. Troy, that's a proper American name, Troy. Troy came up with the idea of combining peanut butter with a Beaver's milk stout, and he nailed it. Don't let the dark colour fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink with cascading aromas of roasted peanuts, dark chocolate and coffee. We appreciate your continual support for helping make this style our #1 seller. Good times to you, my friend, and welcome to the Beaver family. Get in. There you go. It says, I won't go into that. It says, consumption of alcoholic beverages impairs your ability to operate machinery. Remember that, boys and girls. So let's crack this open. See what we get. Oh, yeah, straight up. Chocolate and peanuts. Nothing else. Chocolate and peanuts. I quite like crunchy peanut butter. I don't think it's going to be crunchy. Is it really? So, yeah, as you can see, it's coming out black as the ace of spades. You couldn't get blacker than that, could you? There she goes. Lovely looking head on her. Thin mochaccino head, I would say. I'll put that there so we know. Mr. Beaver. Yeah, pitch black. Literally pitch black. Loads of peanuts. Loads of peanuts. So more peanuts in that than the big D, you know, remember the big D ones he took off the pub wall, and he got like a topless woman appeared behind it. I'm gonna go in. Cheers. That's beautiful. I'm going again. Straight up, loads of peanut, tons of peanut, lovely little bit of, I'll say Hershey's chocolate behind that, and you get that lovely, beautiful creaminess of the chocolate and the peanuts together, all mixed up together. It is absolutely beautiful. I can see why Troy, good old Troy, came up with this. He's a genius, Troy, because this is a beautiful beer. It really is. Again, again. What greets you is the peanuts. Then you get in beautiful milk chocolate behind that. On the back end, a slight hint of bitterness you would associate with, say, a coffee. Only a slight bit of bitterness, but my word, that is nailing it. They have nailed it. They really have. One more for the road because it is beautiful. Oh, I would never get bored with drinking that. Never. Boys and girls, that is beautiful. It is really, really nice. That is, oh. That is really, really good. Really good. Belching Beaver. Get hold of the old Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout. That is beautiful. Thank you for watching. I can't enjoy that. Cheers.